Good day everyone, my name is Geniel Simanalo from BSIE 2201, and for today's video, I will be doing this figure. And I will start to draw at this point. Type L, command for line, and specify first point which is this coordinate. Type 1, comma, 1, then enter. Then the next one is hashtag 4.1, comma, 1, enter. And then hashtag again 4.5, comma, 2.2. And then project a horizontal line going to right, and type the measurement which is 2.3. And then for this line, type the measurement which is 1.4, press tab, and then 30-degree angle. 30-degree because this horizontal straight line is 180 minus the given 150 angles equals 30-degree. And then project a vertical line going up and type the measurement which is 2.1. And then type the measurement of the next line which is 1.6, press tab, and 120-degree angle. Press enter. 130 because this line and this line is equal to 270-degree minus the given 150 equals 120. And then project a horizontal line going to left and then type the measurement which is 1.3. Then a vertical line going down, then type the measurement which is 1.4, and then 2.2, press tab, 135-degree angle. 135 because this angle is 190 plus 45-degree equals 135. And then a horizontal line going to left, then type 1.0, and then 1.5, press tab, and then 135-degree. 135 because this straight line is 180 minus the given 100 minus 45-degree equals 135. And then a horizontal line going to left, type 1.0, enter, and then 2.3, press tab, and give the given 60-degree angle. And then connect to the endpoint, then press escape. And then next one is the dimension. Type dim linear for any vertical and horizontal line. Dim linear again for this one, and also for this one. And dim align for any diagonal line. Dim linear also for this line. and then dim angular for the measurement of an angle. We will connect a line here, type L, for us to have a reference for this angle. And also for this one. And then indicate the coordinate of this point. Type mtex and then type 1 1 for the coordinate of this point. And then also for this one, mtex and then type 4.1 comma 1 also for this one. Four point five comma 2.2. That's it. Thank you for watching.